Why would I suggest Beams Hospital for many more people who are suffering like me? Is mainly because of the peaceful atmosphere we have here, the good service of the staff, and the professionalism of the doctors, and the quick recovery which you can get within 2 days maximum. If it is uterus removal, maybe 3 days in the hospital, or even the very next day you could leave the hospital and back to your normal life, and with very little scars and no, absolutely no pain, and you're back to your normal life, and one should not worry about paying little extra because it's a one shot investment, whereas in open surgery you would be on the bed for nothing less than 6 months, and more pain, more longer recovery time, more bleeding and more scars, and you would need more, your money will be going out in various ways, like you would need more domestic help and all that. You will depend on others to move around, whereas in this you're absolutely, your health is back, restored back so fast. So that is why I would recommend Beams Hospital. And I would also want to mention that many more people should be made aware of this new technology, that is keyhole surgery, where very few scars are made. Very, like in my case, only there were only 3 small holes made, so you hardly felt any pain, and no scars, and no stitching, and nothing. So I would recommend any Beams, and the professionalism what they have to offer through keyhole laparoscopy, which many other hospitals are not doing in Bangalore. And I would also want this to be made aware to many people who are not aware about this hospital and this technology what they are using here.